This summit is amazing. There is a 360 view. Like this, we can see everywhere and it is sunny. The sea is blue, the skies are blue, mountains are green. This is gorgeous. This summer, Vegard and I are searching for beautiful campsites and hiking areas in Norway. Here is parking. And from parking, we have to walk up to the road first. It's a little tricky. There's a little trail here along the road. And here the trail starts. You can search for Offersøykammen trailhead in Google Maps to find the exact location. We quickly gain some elevation. This is a great workout. Here we have come to the first top. Let's see what the view looks like from here. And we continue up that mountain. Let's move those legs again. It has been a while since we last showered, but tonight we'll actually shower in hot water. So let's keep on moving those bodies. Look at the colors. This is what happens when it's sunny in Lofoten. The colors come out. We are actually going to hike another mountain today. That you'll see in the next video. Because it is sunny today, we have to make the most out of it. This mountain just continues and continues, but we are almost there now. We spent almost an hour to the top. We made it! At 436 meters above sea level. And do you know who likes heights? This eagle!
Hvorfor så nærme?
Den har veldig nærme.
Oi.
Ja, fin.
Kult.
Det er jo ingen spennende.
Ja, hvor stor er denne? Offersøykammen is a popular hike, both for working out and of course to see the views over Vestvågøya, the island we're at now. This view is so good. This is definitely among the most beautiful hikes we've ever done. I know this is a short video, but I think Offersøykammen deserves its very own video. Next time we are doing another stunning hike, Mannen, at Hauklandstranda, also at Lofoten.